Greetings. If you like these daily crypto analysis videos, hit the like button and subscribe. Please share these videos with your friends to help the channel grow. I'm Crypto Snake, back again to discuss some Bitcoin analysis. So today I'm going to start out on the one-day technical analysis here. It does actually look like this pump has possibly peaked here at the resistance at 7130. The bottom of the one-day cloud here has actually wicked up here and been rejected back down not once but twice. And as you can see, the third daily candle here is actually posting lower. This does not mean that I'm overall bearish right now in Bitcoin, actually quite the opposite. As you can see here, we do actually have a confirmed TK crossover. It's not rising as much as I would like, and the price is heavily separated from it right now, so I am almost definitely expecting a pullback to the Kijun-sen here, which will likely find light support at 69.40, and then again down at 67.42. My target right now is probably going to be around 67.42. It depends where this Kijun-sen starts heading. But I do believe this pump is definitely due for a slight correction here back down before possibly continuing forwards and breaking through this one-day cloud. As you can see here, the SAR, which is basically the measurement of a trend, is actually continuing to move bullish here. And the Kijun-sen has actually begun breaking down pretty heavily here, building some support at the baseline around this area at currently 66.90 or so. But the RSI here has actually hit resistance here and has been rejected off of the 59.60 area, give or take, and has actually bounced down. It did not actually go for a second attempt on this RSI. And if we go ahead and take a look at the Heiken Ashi here, which is basically the money flow into the market, you can see that the reason I'm overall still bullish is that we do actually have some good money flow still going into the market here. I think the price is a little bit overvalued at where it's at. I think we're more likely to break a bit down here before possibly continuing on our rise, as I marked out in the previous video. Probably not as extreme as this line. Actually, let me redraw that. Possible pattern for us here is to break down to this Kijun-sen before trending sideways some more, possibly in this channel, before breaking back up through the one-day cloud. That's certainly not set in stone. We could also break down through this support here and continue downwards with the cloud. But right now I'm leaning pretty bullish as soon as we bounce off that Kijun-sen. If we go down to the 4-hour chart here, you can actually see that the Chikou span is still in bullish territory here. It does actually seem to be forming lower peaks, and the RSI actually did get overextended here and did actually break down. It did bounce slightly off of the previous resistance, now support, and it's currently trending back up, but it does not have a lot of momentum here. And the SAR is also still moving in a bullish pattern. I do actually believe that we are going to side trend for a little bit here on the 4-hour chart. If we go down to the 1-hour chart here, you can see that the Chikou span actually is within price right now, but we are moving dangerously close to this 1-hour cloud. We've had not one but two TK crossovers here, one in a bearish pattern, one in a bullish pattern, and the Chikou span is within the price here, which basically means that we're in a ranging territory. And with this cloud increasing here, that is relative support there, but we're very likely to break down through that and find support at the bottom of the cloud at 68.90 to 69.10. But I do believe that we will eventually break down through this 1-hour cloud to return to this one-day Kijun-sen. So for the moment, I would say that I'm long-term on Bitcoin bullish, short-term bearish. I do believe that we are going to break down to this 67.50 area and find some support before a nice bounce and possibly some upward movement, which should prove for some very nice swing trades within this range. So before I get onto the news here, if you would like to join my free Telegram for insights on the market, including Bitcoin, altcoins, and a sneak peek to my personal entries and exits, join t.me/cryptosnakepit. Links directly to the chat and a link on how to install Telegram, which is a free chat program that I use to communicate with my VIPs, in the description below. Also, in our VIP group, we have been capitalizing on Bitcoin sideways movements, pulling 25% gains on ZRX, 20% on WON, 7% on Game, 10% on ADA. If you want information on how to get into the VIP group to be part of these trades, the information is also in the description below. So I did actually give my VIPs a little bit of a warning here that the price was going to drop here, and a lot of them did exit their positions at the peak, waiting to scoop up some nice discount alts. But right now I do believe that the altcoin market is going to suffer a little bit from Bitcoin being unable to break through this resistance at 71.20. But if we go ahead and take a look at the health of the market today, you can see that Bitcoin dominance is actually rising slightly from 52.80 to 52.90, and we are also infusing more money into the market right now. We're up to 230 billion, which is very, very healthy. That's good. But the altcoin market for the past 24 hours has seen a lot of red, falling 3 to 5% on a lot of coins. I'm currently charting out some positions here for the altcoin market to sweep up some really, really nice discount coins that I'm going to share with my VIPs. But let's go ahead and get on to the news here. More bullish news for cryptocurrency in general. Australia is poised to create a national blockchain with IBM Tech. Basically, Australia wants to create a national blockchain for smart legal contracts. This is super bullish for the blockchain and the crypto space in general, because it's an actual country adopting a cryptocurrency for themselves, which other countries have done, very small countries, but for such a major country as Australia, that's a very big thing, which is another reason that I'm very bullish for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general right now. So that's it for my technical analysis today. It's a relatively short video as I'm still waiting for the market to develop here. We've only posted 2 candles right now. We had a relative doji forming and we haven't had a lot of movement here. The market is basically stalled and indecisive. It does not want to go down, but it also is very unlikely to break this 71.20 resistance here. So before I wrap this video up, I just want to say good luck on your trades this week. Please join me in my free Telegram at t.me/CryptoSnakePit, where I give up-to-the-minute updates on Bitcoin and my personal exits and entries for the private VIP group. Also included is our private VIP chat, where you can chat with many of our experienced Savage traders, get personal technical analysis from me, and answer any questions you might have. This is CryptoSnake, signing off.